Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a video, and today's going to be a beauty related video. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, which is a video I haven't done in quite some time. I've been like switching from setup to setup, so I don't know which one is the best setup to do makeup videos. I was doing it right in front of my vanity, which is on the opposite side right now, but I think I'm going to just keep it here. Even though I have this pink background, I do want to change it, but it's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I don't know why I'm rambling so much. I think it's because I haven't done one of these videos in a while. But I wanted to just do this get ready with me to update you guys on a little bit of what's going on and what's been going on in my life and what I plan to do for the future. So I'm just going to get my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. And to be quite honest with you guys, I haven't really noticed that much like matteness from this. Okay, I literally forgot that I had my eyebrows done already, and I went like that, as you guys saw. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the rest of my face. If you guys are wondering how it is that I do my eyebrows now, I have a whole video talking about that, so I'll go ahead and link it down below. But yeah, I think I did take some of my eyebrows off. It's fine. Let me go ahead and update you guys. I don't remember the last time I did a get ready with me video, but as you guys may or may not know from the travel vlogs I've been doing on my channel, I did go to Italy this summer, and I went to study abroad for a month. It was a month course, but I was there for 5 weeks. So I went to go study there. I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on. This is my favorite Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and I actually have a darker shade this time. I have the 228. I got super tan in Italy, and I wanted to get a new foundation. As you guys may have known, I did try the Black Radiance foundation, and I made a whole first impressions on that. But I want to go ahead and go back to this one because I really like this one, and I've loved it for quite some time now. So I decided to pick up 228 and 320, and I thought 228 was a little too light for me. So I picked up 320, and 320 turns out to be pinker, which I don't think I am. So we're just going to go ahead and use the 228. Okay, that was a whole explanation. I haven't really done much. Alright, so, and yes, I am doing my foundation first. In the past, I would always do my eyes first, but when a girl is running out of time, which is me like every day of my life now, oh my god, life's crazy, guys. Let me just say that. I usually don't have time, and when I do my face, I feel like I'm usually faster at doing my makeup. So that's what we're doing, and I don't have a bigger mirror than this one, so that's what we're using right now. So let me tell you guys a little bit about what's been going on. So let me just say that going to Italy was such an amazing experience for me. That was my first time in Europe, and I'm kind of sad that I didn't go to other countries. Like, I know a lot of people that I met in Recanati, which was the city that I went, and it wasn't just Italian people, by the way. This was like a city for people who went to study the Italian language. So I met a bunch of people from different countries. I met people from Chile, from Paraguay, from Mexico City, from different parts of Mexico, Brazilians. I met a lot of Brazilian friends, and to be honest, they are the sweetest people ever, and it just made me so happy because I got to meet so many other people that I would have never gotten the chance to meet if I wouldn't have gone to Italy. Definitely was a beautiful experience for me to go, and if you're like studying Italian or you're thinking of studying any other language, I definitely think you should. It just really broadens your perspective on life, and you get to meet so many people that you wouldn't have been able to meet if you didn't learn the language. I really loved Italy and the different cities that I ended up going. I did go to a lot of cities, and I know a couple of people were asking me how it was that I went to so many cities, and I was able to go to so many cities because the program that I was in arranged these trips to these different cities so that the people that were studying there would have the opportunity to visit all over Italy. And although some of the trips were included, but some of them I did have to pay out of pocket, I definitely do think it was worth it, because let's say you were to go by yourself to Europe, to Italy, or whatever place, you probably wouldn't be able to go to so many places because that requires a lot of money, especially like going to different places and paying for housing, as well as like Ubers and food and all of that. I'm not gonna lie, like Europe is kind of expensive, especially because the euro is worth more than the dollar, and the cost of living is higher than it is here. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and put my concealer on, and for my concealer I am using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Oh my god guys, I made a video on this, but this is literally the only concealer I've been using since before my Italy trip. I used this in Italy every single day that I was there, and it's just one of my faves. Over there in Italy, the weather was super humid. Oh my god, it was the worst. So I really couldn't wear that much makeup, although I kind of still did, but as much as I would wear here. But I usually would just do the concealer with like some powder and my brows and my usual things, but I wouldn't wear foundation, just this concealer, and it just looked really good. So I really have been liking this concealer. I actually did have a giveaway, as well as I gave a lot away to my friends and family, and it just blends so nicely. And I'm using my beauty blender to blend it, by the way. And I feel like this kind of like makeup routine that I have going on, it's really quick because I usually don't have that much time to get ready for work because I have to go through traffic to go to work, and that has just been another thing going on in my life. I've been dealing with a lot of traffic that before I wouldn't deal with my other job, but I really like my job. I don't have to work that much, and it does pay me more than my other job did. So there's like pros and cons about it, you know, but that's just life. You have to work. I'm going to set my under eye with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I talked about this in my Full Face of Maybelline video, and I have been in love with this since then. So I'm still using it. I have still a bit more left in there, but I'm just going to set my under eye with that. Usually I would set my face with this, but since I got tan, I can only afford to set my under eye with this. So yeah, so what was I gonna say? I forgot. Okay, usually I would joke around with my friends like, oh, I'm gonna get Alzheimer's, but honestly guys, I really think I'm gonna get Alzheimer's because I have a really bad memory. So there's that. What else can I talk about? So I went to Italy. I did upload a lot of vlogs to this channel, as well as I uploaded a couple of daily vlogs on my vlog channel, which is Romina Vlogs. I haven't really been active on that channel just because I've been trying to upload in this channel, and I've been like really stressed with work and school. Oh my god guys, let me tell you guys about school next. Okay, so let me just take all this out. I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyelids with the NYX HD finishing powder, and this one's in Banana. Okay, so I had really bad allergies last week, and I talked about this in my budget videos. I don't know if if the people who watch my beauty videos watch my budget videos, but if you do, go ahead and comment down below so you can let me know, so I know, you know. But I've been having really bad allergies. They're kind of going away now. They're definitely not as bad as they were when they first started like a week and a half ago, but I know I talk about this a lot in my vlog channel, but I do go to Cal State Long Beach if you guys did or did not know. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with my powder. This is just the 230. My major is Spanish, and I really like my major. I really like the professors that I've been having and that I have this semester. And I'm kind of like debating right now, so I want you guys to give me a little bit of input. This semester could potentially be my last semester, like my senior year, last semester, done with my degree, get my bachelor's. I don't walk until May though, okay, so that's the thing. So this could potentially be my last semester. I am taking 5 classes. 4 of them I have to go to school for. They're really stressful, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm taking an online class which requires work as a regular class, okay? Because it's a writing intensive class that I need to get my degree. And I kind of been putting it off until the last semester. I also did declare the Italian minor last semester. So if I were to just drop the Italian minor, this would be my last semester, like done, right? But if not, I would still have to take 5 more Italian classes next semester. And to be honest, there's like pros and cons to this. Like I feel like I definitely would want the Italian minor. There's like so many cons. Okay, So I would still have to get a loan because the financial aid that I got didn't cover my whole tuition. So I did end up getting a loan. So that would mean that I would have to get the other half of the loan next semester. Or if I just finish now, I could just not have to. I wouldn't have to get it. I still would have classes to go, so that would be that time could be used to maybe a job or whatever it may be. And third, an Italian minor, I don't think do much to what it is that I want to do in the future. And if you guys are wondering, well, what do you want to do in the future, Romina? I want to be an interpreter, okay? So I am taking translation and interpretation classes this semester. I'm taking 2 of them, and they're very, very hard and time consuming, and it's making me realize that I have the memory of a chicken. So, and I just, like right now, I just remembered and realized that my professor said that being an interpreter for like a court or whatever it may be does take so much, and it takes like blood, sweat, and tears. And I've already had a lot of tears and I feel like I've already cried so many times, and I'm just like, there's still so many more tears to cry. So I'm just like, so I'm still debating whether I want to do it next semester. If anything, I would still drop my Italian classes and maybe get one of the classes that I'm taking this semester until next semester, and maybe do an internship. I'm not sure. See, this is like a whole debacle whether I should stay in school or not, because let's say if I finish this semester, I get to walk. Like, I get to walk. I don't get to walk until May, of course, because that's when everybody walks, but I would still be done with school. So let me know how you feel about it. Of course, your opinion. So next, I'm just getting this color Master Bronze Maybelline bronzing palette. I'm just getting this one right here, and I'm using that as my bronzer as well as crease color, just so I can get some life in here. So next, let's just talk about how stressful a couple of weeks been since I started school. So it's been kind of stressful on me because I'm in 5 classes right now, and although I only go to school twice a week, I still have to do like all these assignments, and the most assignments I usually have to do are for Tuesday, and I have like Thursday through Monday to do them, but I also work Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and there's just so much to do. So by the time the Tuesday comes, although I'm like over here trying to push and like do all these things, plus I have like YouTube on top of everything, it's just like too much sometimes. And that's where I'm at right now. So the other videos, if you have noticed on my channel, have been budgeting videos, and oh my god guys, I didn't know how much I like to budget until I started doing these videos and showing you guys. And I really like that some of you guys comment and tell me that you love the budgeting videos, because that makes me like them even more, and that makes me just want to post budget videos. But like, I know you guys might enjoy seeing my face sometimes, so that's why I'm here. Hi guys, my name is Romina. I'm like talking so fast, I can already tell. It's so funny, when I was little and I would have friends that didn't speak Spanish, they would hear me, my sister, talk Spanish, and they would just be amazed at how fast we talked. And that's the thing, like when you speak Spanish, I mean, not for you obviously because you're like speaking it, but for other people, it's like crazy how fast you're speaking. And now I'm just like, okay, let me just say all the words right so that I don't sound so fast. But here I was talking like a swimming pool motor, I don't know. Planning in general has always been very therapeutic for me. So I feel like budgeting and like keeping track of my expenses makes me feel like I am well put together, even though I may not be in other like aspects of my life. Like that just like brings my whole like attention to that. Like, okay, we're doing this right. We're saving money. All right. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, like budgeting is kind of hard. Like, especially when you have not budgeted like really before in the past, and you have like this debt and like you love shopping. Me, it's just hard. So I went ahead and did my eyeliner and my mascara because I felt like I was talking for like 30 minutes. I feel like this Get Ready With Me is already long. I'm going to go ahead and just put some highlighter. I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. You know, this came out a couple of months ago. I've been like so out of the loop with like makeup. It's like, it's honestly crazy, but do they still sell this highlighter? I don't know. But I mean, I really like it. I use it every day, to be honest, but it's still like new. I've been like very like basic about like what makeup I've been using, because obviously like I'm on a budget, and like I don't, even before I was on a budget, I didn't want to spend that much money on makeup anymore, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it, usually where I put it on all the highest points, on my inner corner, on my brow bone. I usually kind of pat the brow bone because it's kind of like, you know, you can see it. I don't know what I was doing there, but yeah. So aside from all of that, from school being stressful, Italy was so amazing because of all the people that I met, as well as the people that I went with. My friends, Alicia, Gisela, and Heffany, I love them so much. And we're actually going to go out for Stephanie's birthday soon. So I'm really excited to see them again. I love when we all reunite because we call ourselves Las Chicas del Apartamento 4, which means the girls from apartment 4, which was our apartment number over there in Italy. So I really feel like our friendship and our bond just got so much stronger because we were with each other for 5 weeks. As well as my friend Salvador. He's probably never going to watch this video, but like I have gotten really close to my friend Salvador as well. And it's just really amazing because me, Salvador, and my friend Alicia are all taking the translation and interpretation classes, so I feel like I am not alone with those stressful classes. Now I'm putting this Tarte blush in Exposed. I hadn't noticed like how white my face still is with this darker foundation to my body. Like I seriously got so tan. It's crazy. I got this NYX lingerie lipstick and it's in the shade Push Up. I'm also going to go ahead and just put this Melted Metallic lipstick by Too Faced in the shade Faking It, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right in the middle of it. But yeah, so lastly, I just wanted to go ahead and talk a little bit about my love life because I really haven't updated you guys on that. I don't know if I have. I don't remember the last time I did, but as you guys may or may not know, if you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys would know because I feel like I post fairly enough about my boyfriend. I've been with my boyfriend for almost a year now, and it's crazy to think. And I just want to say how motivating he's truly been for me, whether I be with going to Italy or school or just my mental health, to be honest. He's always there for me and he's always motivating me, everything. So I'm really thankful for him. I really like the way this looks on top of the other one. I just wanted to go ahead and say that because even though I have like all these stressful things going on in my life, I do have him, so it feels really good to have somebody for support, whether it be your boyfriend, your family, your friends. It just feels really good to have that someone. I'm actually really happy about life. You know, some days are better than others, but that's with everything and that's for everyone. So we just have to push through, manage my time well, as well as make sure I'm like organized with everything. And I feel like I have been a little bit, but I really have to like, you know, get myself together. Basically it. I also want to go ahead and show you guys this shirt that I haven't shown you the whole time, but I actually got this shirt from Capri, Italy, which was the last vlog that I did for my travel series. I'm not gonna have any more vlogs. I know some people didn't like those vlogs. Don't worry, I won't be having any more because that's the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. If you have stayed, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any video suggestions for any beauty, whether it be beauty or budgeting video, please don't forget to comment down below. I'm always taking new suggestions, especially now because I really do want to see what you guys are into. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.